In this video, I'll show you how to run Steam games as an administrator. So it doesn't matter what game you're trying to run, the steps are going to be exactly the same. You need to launch up the Steam application and head over to Library in the top navigation. From the left hand side, you'll see a list of all of your games. Just right click on the game that you want to run as administrator, click on Manage and select Browse Local Files. In this folder, you'll need to locate the executable file for your game. Now where this is located depends on the game. You'll just have to use a bit of common sense in order to find this. So for example, the game that I'm trying to run at the moment is Throne and Liberty. So the executable file is probably going to be in this TL folder. Inside of binaries, Win64, and then we have tl.exe. All we're going to do is right click on this executable tl.exe file, head over to properties, click on compatibility, and then just make sure run this program as administrator is ticked. As long as you have this option ticked here, it's going to run as an admin. So once you've done that, just press apply and OK. And then you can close out of this folder and you'll need to restart the Steam application. Once you've restarted Steam, you can then launch it back up and launch your game, and that's now going to run as an administrator. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.